Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good weekend. And so I thought I prepare and start giving the short videos on some of the stocks which I like at this level. And you can see this stock, AtulAuto. I have also posted it on my Twitter handle, and you can follow my Twitter handle, which is Lewis being right. So this is my Twitter handle. You can follow me with in such view of this. So, what is Atul Auto doing? Right? You see the structure, right? It has started somewhere in 2000, right? So 13, and it has shown a very high bull run. So the initial investor has taken the stock to a level of around 840, and then there was an exit, right? A big investor has started rolling off the share. So during 2015 till all the way, if you see, till 2020, right, there was a complete rolling off, right? That is a distribution, we call it in technical language. But then at this point, this share, like around 130, 135 point, it has come to a value where investors see a bit of opportunity and a value buying in this share, right? You see that it has started making a structure which was more of an accumulation, higher high pattern, higher low pattern were seen initially, and as usually a stock do, bouncing off the weekend, going to a level, but still above the initial accumulation zone, and given a sort of breakout above 240 level, right here. So now this this share is standing at 407. But you see a little structure here. This is a weekly chart, right? If you see it on say daily or even as say 2 hours or 1 hour, you will see the structure formation here. But it becomes more clear when I make it like in a weekly time frame. It's more easy to show. So you see here, this is structure formation is like high, 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 low pattern, right? And now there was a retest that has happened somewhere above the uh, breakout level. And this is a big volume candle. As you can see, this candle is quite a big candle here. So let me show it. Uh, so okay, uh, let me highlight this. So you see this candle is a big candle here. Big buying has happened here. So now, what is the next step for it, right? Whether you should enter here, you should not enter here. I think it's still a great value buying opportunity for people who are looking for mid to long term. This is good. When I say mid, maybe around 3 to 8 months. So what can happen from this level, right? The stock can show a little bit of more bounce till this level. It can come for retest here again at some level here, or even little bit below to like remove some weekend, and 375 or 360 level, or between 360 to 375, the stock can come anywhere, and it can bounce to a level of 560. So 560 is a level where the initial, like you can see this is top up of this L. So 560 could be a target one as well, you can consider. And then for a long term people, right, for long term buyer who want to accumulate it and hold it for a long term for a wealth creation purpose, this can even go even higher, right? So around, I can see a pattern. If you see a pattern here, but and if you want to exit, 560 could be a first target level, I would say, or even this level like 485, I would say a target one. if I just write it here, the target one here, T1 is going 460, 465 level, and T2 would be around 560 to 580 level, right? And then you can decide after that, because stock has the potential to go somewhere again around 800, but it will take a lot of time. So these two targets can be achieved somewhere in mid-term, I would say, not in a very longer term, but in mid-term. So you can see for these targets, go for it and buy it on a dip, and you will find a good risk reward ratio if you enter at this price point, right? So if you just enter at this price point, you will find a good risk reward ratio at this point. So thank you for just listening to it. And do like, share, subscribe. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'm basically algo trader. You will find a lot of information for my algos that runs on which I keep on sharing my views, and also the structures, and even I share details about what I am doing, what I am running right now, and then you can learn from it. So this is, I hope we will support, and you will just share your views, comment. I will be happy to see your comment, and possibly as I get time, I definitely will respond back to you as well. Right? Please do follow me on Twitter. This is just a free educational video. I'm a value investor, and I have value holdings, and then I think it's good to share with you guys some good structure, some good patterns. Thank you. Have a good weekend.